Let's explore HTML-rich snippets. This presentation will focus on enhancing search results with structured data. We'll go over what rich snippets are, their benefits, how to implement them, and more. What exactly are rich snippets? Rich snippets are enhanced search results. They display additional information beyond the standard title, uniform resource locator, and description. They provide users with more context about your content directly in search results. What are the benefits? They increase visibility in search results. They lead to higher click-through rates. They lead to better user experience with relevant information. They help in improved search engine understanding of your content and unlock the potential for featured snippets and knowledge panels. Let's explore some common types of rich snippets. First, we have review snippets, which display star ratings and review counts for products, services, businesses, and more. Then we have recipe snippets, which show cooking time, ingredients, calories, and ratings for food recipes. Event snippets display dates, locations, and other details for upcoming events. Video snippets show a thumbnail, duration, and upload date for video content. Frequently asked question snippets display frequently asked questions and their answers directly in search results. Finally, person snippets show information about a person, including job title, organization, and social profiles. Let's talk about structured data for rich snippets. Structured data is a standardized format for providing information about a page and classifying its content. It helps search engines understand the context of your content. The most common format for structured data is JavaScript Object Notation for Linked Data, or JSON-LD, which is recommended by Google. Here's a JavaScript Object Notation for Linked Data example. The script type is application/linked-data plus JSON. In this example, the context is Schema.org, the type is product, the name is executive leather chair, the image is chair.jpg, the description is ergonomic office chair, the brand type is brand with name Office Pro, and the offers are of offer type, priced at $149.99 in United States dollars. Let's discuss Schema.org vocabulary. Schema.org is a collaborative, community-driven project that creates, maintains, and promotes schemas for structured data on the Internet. It provides a collection of shared vocabularies that webmasters can use to mark up their pages in ways that can be understood by major search engines. Some of the popular schema types are product, recipe, event, organization, person, and local business. Here is an example of schema hierarchy. The topmost entity is Thing. Thing has a child called Creative Work. Creative Work has article and recipe as children. Article has news article as a child. Let's explore implementation methods for rich snippets. The first is JavaScript Object Notation for Linked Data, or JSON-LD, and is the recommended way. JavaScript Object Notation for Linked Data is embedded in a script tag in the head or body of the page. The advantages are it doesn't interfere with HTML markup, it is easy to add, update, and remove, and is preferred by Google. Here is an example script. The type is application/linked-data plus JSON. The context is Schema.org. The type is recipe. The name is chocolate cake. The author is of person type with the name Jane Smith. The cook time is PT1H, 1 hour. The recipe yield is 10 servings. The next implementation is microdata. Microdata is an HTML5 specification that uses attributes to embed metadata within the HTML markup of a web page. The advantages are that it directly associates data with visible content and is supported by all major search engines. Here is an example. In a division tag, the item scope is set, and item type is set to schema.org/recipe. H1 tag has item prop set to name, which is chocolate cake. There is another division tag where item scope is set, and item type is set to schema.org/person. The item prop is name with value Jane Smith. The meta item prop is cook time with content equal to PT1H. The item prop is recipe yield with value 10 servings. Here's a recipe-rich snippet example. On the left, we have the JavaScript object notation for linked data implementation. On the right, we can see how it appears in the search results. Here is the JavaScript object notation for linked data script. The type is application/linked data plus JSON. The context is schema.org. The type is recipe. The name is classic chocolate cake. The author is of person type with name Jane Smith. The date published is 2023/05/15. The description is a rich, moist chocolate cake. The prep time is PT20m, that is 20 minutes. The cook time is P35m, that is 35 minutes. The total time is PT55m, that is 55 minutes. The keywords are chocolate, cake, dessert. The recipe yield is 8 servings. The recipe category is dessert. The recipe cuisine is American. The nutrition type has calories of 350 calories. The aggregate rating has type aggregate rating with rating value of 4.8 and review count of 124. How it appears in search. The search title is Classic Chocolate Cake Recipe, Delicious Desserts. The uniform resource locator is example.com/recipes/chocolate-cake. The search description is a rich, moist chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. This classic recipe has been in our family for generations. We have a recipe snippet showing an image. The recipe title is Classic Chocolate Cake. There are 5 stars with a rating of 4.8 from 124 reviews. The prep time is 55 minutes and serves 8 servings. The nutrition information says it has 350 calories. Let's review some testing tools for rich snippets. The first is the Google Rich Results Test. It's an official Google tool that tests structured data for eligibility for rich results. It supports all Google features and provides a preview of how your page might appear in search results. It tests JavaScript object notation for linked data, microdata, and resource description framework and attributes. It shows rich result previews. The next one is the Schema Markup Validator. It is schema.org's official testing tool that validates structured data against the schema.org vocabulary. It helps identify errors and provides suggestions for improvement. It validates against schema.org specifications. It provides detailed error reporting. The next tool is Google Search Console. It monitors your site's performance in Google search results and provides reports on how Google sees your structured data in the real world. It provides real-world performance data and structured data error reports. Finally, there are schema markup generators. These tools help you create structured data without writing code. It provides templates for common types and generates JavaScript object notation for linked data markup automatically. No coding is required. It has multiple schema type templates. Let's explore some best practices for rich snippets. First, be accurate and relevant. Ensure your structured data accurately represents the content visible on the page. Do not mark up content not visible to users. Keep structured data up to date with page content. Only use schema types that match your content. Next, be specific. Use the most specific schema type applicable to your content. Use specific types such as news article instead of article. Include as many recommended properties as possible. Use specific values such as International Organization for Standardization date formats. Next, test and monitor. Regularly test your structured data and monitor its performance. Use testing tools before publishing. Monitor Search Console for errors. Test after significant content changes. Finally, avoid common pitfalls. Be aware of common mistakes that can affect your rich snippets. Do not use structured data for spammy behavior. Avoid mixing multiple schema types incorrectly. Do not mark up content hidden from users. Let's explore the future of rich snippets, emerging trends and resources. Voice search optimization. As voice search continues to grow, Structured data will play a crucial role in helping voice assistants find and present information. Rich snippets optimized for voice queries will become increasingly important. Artificial intelligence-generated content. Search engines are getting better at understanding content context. Structured data will help artificial intelligence systems better understand and categorize content, leading to more intelligent and contextual search results. Semantic web evolution. The evolution toward a more semantic web will continue, with structured data becoming a standard part of web development. New schema types and properties will emerge to support evolving content formats. Here are some further learning resources: schema.org documentation, Google Search Central, and JavaScript object notation for linked data playground. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.